Hi, boys and girls. Today for science, I'm going to read you two stories. The first one is called I Am an Apple. It was written by Jean Marzolo, so she's the author who did the words. And then it's illustrated by Judith Moffat, so she's the one that did the pictures. I Am an Apple. Here's our title page. I am a red bud. I live on a branch in an apple tree. See the bud? I grow in the rain. I grow in the sun. I unfold. I'm an apple blossom. I have 5 petals. I am beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In time, my petals fall to the ground. Now I am a small apple. I hang by a stem. The stem brings me water and food. So the stem is connected to the branch, and that is kind of like a straw, bringing the water and the food to the apple. I grow bigger and bigger. My tree is full of apples. Once we were green, but now we are red. Red, redder, reddest. We are ready to be picked. Most apples are picked by farm workers. Truckers drive us to the market. So some people, that's their job, to pick the apples and get them ready to go to the stores. Apples come in different shapes and colors. Some are sweet and some are sour. Applesauce is made from apples. What else is made from apples? Apple juice, apple cider, apple butter, apple jelly, apple pie, so many things. Each apple has a star of seeds inside. The star has 5 parts, just like when it was a flower. If you plant apple seeds, what will you get? Apple trees. So in the spring, the apple trees grow the apple blossom flowers, and then in the summer, the flowers slowly turn into the small green apples and then grow and grow and grow, and then in the fall, they're ready to be picked. I am an apple. So here's the life cycle of the apple. Seed grows into a tree. The tree gets buds. In the spring, the buds turn to apple blossom flowers. Then those fall off, the petals fall and turn into the apple. The apple grows and grows, it gets picked, and then if you take a seed from the apple, you can start all over again. Now I'm going to read you another story called The Fall Festival by Mercer Mayer. Mercer Mayer is the author and the illustrator. And this is Little Critter, and he is one of my favorite kind of books, Little Critter books. I love Little Critter. The Fall Festival. Looks like they're picking out pumpkins at the pumpkin patch. It is fall. The leaves change colors. They turn yellow and red. We are driving in the car. We drive to the fall festival. Lots of critters are there. We bring a wagon to hold the things that we buy. I see so many apples. I try one. Mom pays the man. Little sister has apple cider. She spills it. It's sticky. We go on a hay ride. There's not very much hay. We ride through a field full of pumpkins. I watch a critter shoot pumpkins into the air. They go splat. It is fun to watch. We walk to the apple trees. I see critters picking apples. I get to pick apples too. Dad buys the apples that we pick. Mom will make many apple pies. Yum, I eat another apple. Mom says, no more apples. Next, we look for a Halloween pumpkin. Some pumpkins are too small. Some pumpkins are too funny looking. I find the perfect pumpkin. It is so big. Mom finds a perfect pumpkin too. It is not so big. We play the horseshoe game. We get 3 throws. We can win prizes. I go first. I aim. I throw. I fly. Whoops. I forgot to let go. Crash. Dad goes next. He wins every time. He wins a bunny for little sister and a bear for me. It's time to go home. Little sister pulls the wagon. I help her. Dad carries the pumpkin. Mom picks up the apples that we drop. I think fall is great, but I ate too many apples. Okay, friends, now in your blue science and social studies folder, you should have a picture like this. It's a scarecrow and it says label the parts. Now, you're going to have your words at the bottom down here because I already cut mine out and glued them. But that's what you're going to do is color your scarecrow and then you have to cut out the words and put them in the right box to label the parts of your scarecrow. We have hat, pointing up there. We have coat, pointing here. We have feet. We have hands. And we have legs. Those are the scarecrow parts. If you need help reading the words, ask an adult to help you. I hope you have fun making your scarecrow and labeling him.